Hi, ever wondered how you can record audio from the internet? Well, I'm going to show you how. You could probably use the sound recorder from within Windows. I've used this and see how it works. The resulting file isn't great. Here's the result of that. As you can hear, the sound is dull and not very good. I'm going to show you how you can do it to a much higher quality. So, to do this we're going to need a lead with an end like this, both ends. And what we're going to do with this cable is we're going to plug it into the speaker outlet, thus, and the one marked blue, which is the line in input socket. What that will do is give us a better quality audio recording. For this part I'm going to use the free to download software Audacity to record our sound. I have plugged in the cable, so to start with I'm going to click record on Audacity and then press play on my sound. You can't hear the sound because obviously you haven't got any speakers plugged in, but you can see from the display that there's definitely some sound entering the recorder. That'll be enough for now. So to hear that back, we're going to have to plug our speakers back in. Now we have our sound recorded on Audacity. Let's hear it played back. As you can hear, it's quite loud and booming. Different audio levels can cause this. But what you can do with Audacity is you can alter the amplification. To do this, you need to select all and use the effects button and go to amplify. In this section, you can adjust the amplification from the present number to a -3, because I believe that 3 decibels reduction would be enough to reduce the amplification on this section. As you do that, you can see straight away you have chopped off the top quarter of the sound, and when you play back now, you can hear it's not so quite as loud. What we can do now is we can get rid of this quiet section at the beginning. What we do is we put our cursor at the section where we want to start the trim and select by drawing our mouse across. What we do then is we go to edit and click delete. As you see, it's taken that section away. When we play back, we're straight into the sound. Hopefully that's allowed you to understand how to record a sound from the internet. Thank you.